The U.S. Army has finalized a contract with BAE Systems to produce more than 200 additional Bradley fighting vehicles, including M2A4E1 variants with order valued over $440 million. The new order is part of a larger modernization effort aimed at replenishing U.S. stocks as several Bradleys have been transferred to Ukraine. Ukraine has showcased its newly upgraded Leopard1 A5V tanks. The tanks have been fitted with additional armor and protective screens to counter the growing threat of enemy FPV drones on the battlefield. Saab completed the delivery of the fifth and final GlobalEye aircraft to the United Arab Emirates Air Force. The aircraft features enhanced Area-ER radar system and other advanced sensors, allowing increased detection and tracking, even under heavy jamming conditions, offering superior maritime and aerial surveillance. A Chinese company, Beberg, has launched a promotional campaign in Pakistan to market its new loitering munition, the FY-70, which bears a striking resemblance to the Russian-made KYB drone. The FY-70 is powered by an internal combustion engine, offering enhanced performance especially in terms of flight duration and range. According to footage released by Ukrainian activists, Ukrainian drones successfully intercepted and destroyed a Russian Lancet loitering munition over the Russian-controlled city of Sudzha in the Kursk region.